Hey guys, you're here for update 2 on Windstorm Frank as of 1900 UTC on December 30th, 2015. So one more day left of 2015 after today. Storm's located at 64.6 degrees north, 18.1 degrees west. Winds are 80 miles per hour and the pressure is 929 millibars. Which again is a very deep system, though again not unheard of in extratropical cyclones. Storm's taken a bit more of a northwards track now, has made landfall on Iceland at this intensity. Though the UK did still feel quite a lot of the system due to its tails of the extratropical cyclone. And I'm sorry to report this, guys, but there are another 4 systems coming possibly over the next 14 days. A lot of them should be considerably weaker than that of Frank, possibly a tropical storm equivalent storm that we're expecting now. There is still possible that we could get a Category 1 equivalent, though it's unlikely at this time for getting any more of those at the moment. And also, again, just to say that I do, my thoughts are with the guys affected by the floods all up north in Cumbria, Lancashire, Dumfries and Galloway as well. Southwestern Scotland, all taken by surprise today. So I hope everything turns out okay. Happy New Year from me at Force 15, and thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off. Next update will come at 2200 UTC.